The 2026 Suzuki 80 revives a classic badge with a modern approach, blending retro charm with contemporary engineering. Designed for riders who appreciate simplicity, reliability, and everyday usability, the 80 carries Suzuki's long-standing reputation for practical motorcycles into a new generation. Design, retro simplicity meets modern touches. The 2026 Suzuki 80 features a clean, minimalist design inspired by classic commuter bikes. Its slim fuel tank, upright seating position, and lightweight frame create an approachable and timeless look. Modern LED lighting, updated paint schemes, and refined detailing give the bike a fresh identity while preserving its old-school appeal. Engine and performance, efficient and reliable. Powering the Suzuki 80 is a fuel-efficient engine tuned for smooth and consistent performance. It delivers enough power for city commuting and daily errands, offering easy throttle response and low maintenance costs. The engine is designed for durability, making it ideal for riders who value long-term reliability over aggressive performance. Ride and handling, easy and comfortable. The lightweight chassis of the 2026 A80 ensures effortless handling, especially in crowded urban environments. Soft suspension settings absorb road imperfections, while the upright ergonomics reduce rider fatigue. Whether navigating traffic or cruising through neighborhood streets, the ride remains comfortable and confidence-inspiring. Technology and features, practical essentials. Suzuki equips the 80 with essential modern features to enhance daily riding. A simple digital analog instrument cluster provides clear information, while improved braking performance adds safety and control. The bike focuses on practical technology that supports reliability and ease of use rather than unnecessary complexity. Final thoughts: a perfect everyday companion. The 2026 Suzuki 80 is built for riders who want a dependable, affordable, and stylish everyday motorcycle. With its classic-inspired design, efficient performance, and comfortable ride, it stands as a smart choice for daily commuting and relaxed riding, proving that simplicity can still be exciting in 2026.